So we have lot of we remember a lot of things. Now there's a live example of how she remembered the Navratnas of Gupta Dynasty. Can you tell us?
Okay, so first I'm going to tell the list and tell how I remembered it next. First the list is Kalidas, Amarasimha, Varahamihridu, Dhanvantari, Vararuchi, Swapnakudu, Sankudu, Vetalabhattu and Gatkarpar.
Wow. Great.
Okay, so the story.
Yeah, you can use the story because she used a technique and this is unique to her. She used a technique and how you use the technique you can tell.
So Kalidas was a man drinking amras and he lost his SIM card while eating ham. And he works in an inventory. Inventory was associated with Dhanvantari. So in an inventory, he made tasty vadas. Tasty vadas means Vararuchi. And there he met a woman called Swapna. And then the woman, she liked the son very much. So Swapna Kudu and Sankudu. Next they made a bet about who would reach their home first. So there Betalabhattu for bet and home Gar in Hindi. So Gatkarpar.
Wow, thank you.